Hello everyone! If you're watching this, you already know and appreciate how robust edX is. But as me, you're interested in what brings the platform new for this latest stable version that is Ulmo. And I'm gonna show you in the next few minutes what are the new features and also what is the flavor that Edunext has brought to this particular release. To start with, I think that one of the most interesting features is the content libraries that is just reimagined. One of the most interesting that it brings with Ulmo is that it expands the concept of library. And now, instead of just storing individual components, library can contain a full structure of a course, from sections, units, the particular components, and even collections. And for organizations that manage large catalogs and multiple departments, this is a great feature. It brings a synchronization workflow that allows teams to review the changes before updating the content on the courses. Another important thing about the content libraries are the permissions. So Ulmo introduces administrators, authors, contributors, and users. And these library roles give the organization a minor distribution of who can create, modify, approve, publish, and even consume or share the learning assets. So here you're going to be able to see how many different roles you have and what are the permissions that you allow for each one of them. Another thing that you're going to find here is the administrative console. So one of the most visible additions in the Ulmo release. So this provides a centralized interface for all managing access and permissions in the content library. Instead of navigating multiple workflows, administrators gain a clearer view of the content ownership and the team responsibilities. So here we have only one user. But if we wanted, we can add as many users for the team as we wanted, and we can administer all the roles that they are going to have. Another important thing that feature that has this release is the LTI reusable components. We can reuse it easily between courses without needing to create a whole new infrastructure. And we just need to create it and access all the information that we already set up easily and quickly. We have the activity notifications that help learners to connect with courses discussions and announcements. They can be received in the platform or by email. And this is going to allow us to reduce the possibility that our learners doesn't receive the correct information when they need it. We have a new modern course discovery experience. So here, when you go to the Discover New, what you see now is a full course page that are more visual, appealing, and easier to customize, with more of fewer version of the menu, with different use of the courses. And for organizations using edX is a public-facing learning portal that provides a much stronger first impression and perspective learner. When I talk about the Edunext flavor, I talk about what includes our hosting service. I mean, a carefully selected set of enhancements designed to accelerate the adoption and reduce the implementation effort. When, for example, a curated list of supported Xbox, just like this one, and much more larger list, a recommendation for community plugins and operational management tools as ECC and Grafana, the enhancement of analytics through aspects of multi-tenancy capabilities, the integration and extensibility frameworks, and the advance of theming capabilities. This framework brings a lot of new possibilities and capabilities. For example, AI assistants, like this one, intelligent tutoring experience that can be set up, content generation workflows, automated feedback systems, AI-powered learning support, and capabilities of AI to the content creation by an AI question group. This is all our journey through the Ulmo updates. We are really sure that with all of these capabilities, your platform is going to be able to support what your company needs to go to the next chapter in the learning process. So let's see you there.